Welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel, folks. Today we're going to talk about some BD injectors. Now these specifically are for an LLY Duramax. We're getting ready to do this really awesome build on this LLY Duramax for a local customer, doing compounds, injectors, CP3, a couple other big things, basically cab off, frame resto. Not really talking about that, just wanted to let you know we got a really cool build coming. But today we want to talk about the BD diesel injectors right here, common rail injectors. A lot of this is going to apply for all BD common rail injectors. BD makes them for pretty much any year Duramax, any year Cummins. I think they're coming out with them for the Power Strokes here soon. They also have 6.0 Power Stroke injectors. Needless to say, BD Diesel, BD Power, whichever way you call them, has been around a long time, and they provide some quality products. This being one that we recommended to our customer. This is a reman injector. It's about as new as you can get, minus going to Bosch and buying a brand new one. BD goes through and replaces all the internals, the spool valves, the through rods. Then these are flow tested and nitrogen tested for any leaks. So when it comes down to a remanufactured injector, it's about as good as you can get. The body is essentially what is reused with these injectors. That's why they're able to have a 3-year, 150,000 mile warranty that BD stands behind. This one right here for our build to 60 horsepower is going to pair well with our game plan for this truck. Wanted to talk about one other simple thing real quick when it comes to BD products in general. BD makes the core return process as simple as it can get. Whenever you purchase a BD product from blessedperformance.com, right here, depending on the product that you purchase, you'll find this sticker somewhere on your product. Super easy. You go on their website, go to cores.bddiesel.com, you enter this BG core code right here. You'll have to enter each individual one for each individual injector if you're purchasing injectors from us on blessedperformance.com, or if you're entering a transmission, one thing. So you go right there. Then from there, BD sends you the labels, emails you a label to return the cores. They want their cores back. Obviously, it's hard to do reman stuff if you don't have the cores. So BD makes it super easy to return the core charge, or return your cores so you can get your core money back from us. Whenever you purchase a BD product from blessedperformance.com and you return your cores, contact us and you'll have they're going to send you the copy of the labels. You're going to email us that label. We'll watch that label, make sure it gets back to BD Diesel, and from there we return your cores. This kind of works for any BD product, whether it's an injector or a transmission, so I wanted to talk about it. Now, when it comes to sizing, there's lots of folks out there going to tell you lots of different things. For this build that we're doing, this is going to be a great injector. It's a 33% over injector, 60 horsepower. It's nothing crazy. It's going to pair well with our 10mm CP3 that we're going to do. And we're going to do a 63 charger in the valley with a 475 over the top. It's still going to be great for towing. Great for daily driving. The stock plus ones that they offer are about a 10 horsepower increase. Those as well would be a great one. We wanted to make a little more power with this build, so we went with this. Now, be sure to check out BD Diesel on blessedperformance.com. They make some great products. We're proud to sell them. We know we can sell them with confidence. Give us a call with any questions for sizing, anything like that, 1-800-577-2698. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, go check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Oh, and TikTok.